Hi, this is Janice again, and I have a puppet show for you with only, well, I guess you'd say 1.5 puppets. And this is a cooking class. So if you'd like to learn to make soup, just watch.
Welcome to my class, my wonderful cooking class. I'm so glad you want to learn to cook. Oh, and this is my assistant, Hand. Give a little bow, Hand. All right, we will teach you to make my favorite soup, egg drop soup. So get your bowls ready. The first ingredient is, of course, an egg. It's important to drop from a height. That's right. Now we need a can of soup. Any kind will do. There, that's good. Now I need to get a little flour to add. No. Oh, I had trouble finding a little flour. There. Now, a spoonful of sugar. Yes, add that. A spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down, the medicine go down the... Oops, this is not medicine. This is soup, a delicious soup. Sorry. Okay, a spoonful of salt. There, oh, it's looking better. Oh, Now a few vegetables for flavor. Potato. And now carrot. Little trouble there. And now green beans. And last, a little orange peel. There. Now, I think we're about done. Get your bowls ready for this spectacular soup. I'll just take a tiny sip. It looks a little crunchy. Not like the picture in my recipe book, but it will be wonderful. Now just bring your bowls and line up here for your soup. Wait, where are you going? Don't run away. You'll miss out. Oh well, come again next time for my irresistible marshmallow casserole.